What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix the microphone is not working on your Dell laptop and how we can fix this up. So let me directly get into the step. So the first one is all about, we just need to go over here, search for the settings, and you have to click on this one. And right now, as you can see, if you go over here in the privacy and security, click on this one, and right now you have to scroll down and navigate to the microphone. So the first and foremost step, make sure the microphone access is enabled. So if it is turned off, you have to turn off the microphone access here, or else you will be having the trouble. So and also this is for the generally, so if you turn this off, you'll not be access to any one of these at the down. So make sure that you completely turn this on. And apart from this, if you scroll down, for example, you might be having the trouble with the microphone for a particular app. For example, if you're having the trouble with the Xbox, make sure that you turn on for the Xbox. If you're having the trouble with the Microsoft 365 Copilot, make sure that you turn this on as well. So you have to turn this for the individual app, and apart from generally, you have to turn this on over here, or else you'll be having the trouble. That's what you have to try. Moving to the next one is all about what we need to do is the next one, that is all about just go over here in the icon, right click on this one and go for the sound setting. And right now you have to set over here. So make sure that the output system is set into the right speaker for the output, and also similarly you have to set this for the right speaker as well. So you have to select the right speaker and make sure the volume is set into maximum 100%. So if the volume is muted, or if you're having the trouble with the volume, you will be having the trouble down the road. So make sure that it's been set into more, you have to set it to 100% as well. Now we need to close this and move to the next step. Next step is all about what we need to do is we just need to go over here in the device manager, right click on over here, directly navigate to the device manager, and we need to expand this. And right now you can see we have audio inputs and output. We have to expand this, and right now over here, as you can see, just select the right device over here. For me right now, for the recording, for the purpose of the recording, I'm using the microphone AT Blue AT. Right click on this one, go for the update driver, go for the search automatically for drivers, and make sure it is up to date. Similarly, you have to do the same for the right speaker on a case. And apart from this, you can also directly go over here, right click, and directly navigate to the open volume mixer, and over here make sure that you over here under the system that you have selected the right audio device for the output, and also that you have selected the right audio device for the input as well. So if the devices is not corrected or not selected correctly, you'll be having the trouble. And also make sure the volume is not set into 0, so you'll be having the trouble down the road. So make sure the volume is set into either to this particular level or to the maximum, so that all the recordings will be done without it is not like a muted one. So these are the steps when it comes to how to fix this up, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. That's it. Bye bye.